In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research products on eBay, a must-watch tutorial for beginners eager to dive into online selling. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply curious about what's trending, understanding how to research effectively can set you on the path to success. Let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step guide to uncover profitable items on eBay. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the eBay Seller Hub. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of features designed to assist sellers just like you. Look for the Research tab. This is your gateway to discovering insights into product trends, pricing, and competitive info that are crucial in making informed selling decisions. Once you've entered the Research section, it's time to put that curious mind to work. Type in your product keywords. Think about what you want to sell and what potential customers might be searching for. Using precise and popular keywords will help you unearth products that have a substantial search volume. Take a moment to brainstorm, maybe jot down a list of possibilities, and refine them to ensure you're casting the net wide but effectively. After you've entered your keywords, you'll find yourself in a sea of data, but don't feel overwhelmed. The next step is to review the demand and sales history of the products that catch your eye. Look closely at how often these items are selling and the price points that they're achieving. It's here you'll get a sense of whether a product is consistently popular or just experiencing a temporary spike. This stage is all about assessing patterns, seeking out items with steady demand, and understanding seasonal trends that may affect sales dynamics. With your newfound knowledge in hand, it's time to make some decisions. Identify which items are likely to be most profitable. Look for products that not only have a high level of demand, but also offer a comfortable margin between your cost price and the potential selling price. Consider factors like shipping costs, eBay fees, and any additional costs that might eat into your profits. It's worth taking the time to crisscross your data and especially look out for items with solid customer reviews, which often indicates reliability and quality assurance. And there you have it. After following these straightforward steps, you are now equipped with the foundational knowledge needed to research products effectively on eBay. By mastering demand analysis and comprehending sales history, you can confidently choose products that promise profitability and market relevance. So go ahead and start exploring eBay with confidence. And who knows, you might just find the next big thing before it becomes a trend. Happy selling, and may your eBay journey be both fulfilling and successful.